So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, Summerlin? And you would prefer to live in an affluent, guard-gated community, but you're not sure which one is the right community for you. Well, then this video is for you. That's because we're going to visit the luxury community of Mesa Ridge in Summerlin South and show you some different price points of homes so you can see what may fit within your budget. And we're gonna get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas, including the local real estate market. If this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe here below and you tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, a text, or email. All that information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we are here in Mesa Ridge, nestled along the western edge of the Las Vegas Valley in the popular Summerlin South area in Mesa Village. This community is one of the most highly sought after in all of Southern Nevada. Built by Toll Brothers between 2019 and 2022, this guard-gated neighborhood, it represents the epitome of modern luxury living, blending sleek architectural design with the natural beauty of the nearby Spring Mountains. In fact, the Spring Mountains ridgeline that you may be able to see right over here beyond me gives many homes unobstructed views of the surrounding desert landscape and glimpses of the Las Vegas Strip in certain locations. This unique positioning creates a sense of privacy and exclusivity while still offering convenient access to major amenities like downtown Summerlin and the outdoor recreation in Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. Residents also enjoy easy access to the adjacent 19-acre Mesa Park, which features large open play areas, 2 lighted tennis courts, Little League baseball fields, basketball court, tot lot, and covered picnic pavilions. You know, the community itself is relatively intimate, consisting of 322 homes across 4 distinct collections and 14 unique floor plans. Residents range from 3,236 to 5,007 square feet, with both single and 2-story options. The homes are known for their contemporary architectural, open concept layouts, expansive glass doors, and seamless indoor-outdoor living spaces, features that cater to both entertaining and everyday comfort. You'll see what I mean here in a minute when we go visit 3 different homes. One of the defining characteristics of Mesa Ridge is its resort-style lifestyle. Residents have access to a private clubhouse and social lounge located right over here behind me, along with a newly renovated fitness center and 9 acres of common and social spaces designed for both relaxation and community engagement. Outdoor amenities include a resort-style pool located right over here, along with fire pits, walking paths, and gathering areas that encourage an active and social environment. The neighborhood's guard-gated entrance and smaller footprint further enhances its appeal by offering a heightened sense of security and exclusivity compared to other larger Summerlin villages. Now, while the Strip is known for its non-stop energy, neon lights, and entertainment, Mesa Ridge offers a stark contrast. The neighborhood is secure, tucked away from the hustle and bustle of the city, which is a big draw for those seeking a peaceful retreat without straying too far from the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas. So, let's go visit a few homes here in Mesa Ridge to see what options are available to you. Be ready to be impressed. Our first stop is located right around the corner from the clubhouse where we were just at. This home here listed behind me is for $2,675,000, which happens to be one of the most affordable homes in Mesa Ridge at the recording of this video. It's 4,166 square feet, which comes out to $642 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2020. You know, this recently refreshed, single-story modern masterpiece is located on a highly desirable lot with no rear neighbors, and the home backs directly to the mountains that you may be able to see here at the top of the screen. It creates a stunning and natural backdrop. From the moment you enter through the private courtyard, you're welcomed by a tranquil water feature that sets the tone and seamlessly connects to the cascading waterfalls of the backyard pool. You know, inside, soaring ceilings and expansive windows fill the home with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere throughout. The chef's kitchen is a showpiece featuring a striking double island, stacked flat panel cabinetry, and top-of-the-line Sub-Zero appliances, along with Wolf appliances as well. All 4 spacious bedrooms are en-suites, providing their own bathrooms, along with a versatile flex space. Custom built-in cabinetry, also in the closets, enhance both style and functionality. Outdoors, the experience continues with a resort-style pool and spa, complete with waterfalls and a built-in barbecue. You know, every aspect of this home is an architectural masterpiece that offers a lifestyle of unparalleled refinement. You know, one advantage to living here in Mesa Ridge is its proximity to all of your daily necessities. We're a short distance away from grocery stores, banks, salons, restaurants, gyms, gas stations, and so much more on Hualapai Way, Tropicana, or Flamingo Road. In addition, the 215 Beltway is also easily accessible and convenient to get around town. You've got Red Rock Casino Resort and Spa and downtown Summerlin that are both just 11 minutes north of here. Then you've got the Durango Casino and Resort that's just 10 minutes south of here. We're also 12 minutes away from the Uncommons, which is a newer mixed-use development with a variety of retail and dining options. Then you have the Las Vegas Strip that's only 20 minutes away. Reed International Airport is 18 minutes away. And lastly, there's Southern Hills Hospital and Medical Center that's only 5 minutes away from this community. You know, Mesa Ridge's location is definitely an advantage to living here. So let's go take a drive around this part of the community to get a better feel for it. Our next stop is located right in the heart of the community. This home listed here behind me is for $2,990,000, and it's 3,601 square feet, which comes out to $803 per square foot. It has 3 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2021. You know, this single-story luxury home perfectly captures the essence of indoor-outdoor living, thoughtfully designed and highly upgraded throughout. It is positioned on a primary corner lot that you may be able to see right over here behind me. It's one of the largest in all of Mesa Ridge at over 13,500 square feet, with a large side yard, and also has no rear neighbors like the home we just previously visited. The gourmet kitchen is a true masterpiece, featuring leathered waterfall countertops, upgraded cabinetry, a walk-in pantry, a wine refrigerator, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. The expansive primary suite is a private retreat, highlighted by a 2-way fireplace, wraparound granite feature wall, oversized spa-style bathroom, and a generous walk-in closet. Also, over 50 windows have been replaced to improve energy efficiency. You know, the resort-style backyard oasis provides a saltwater pool, outdoor fireplace, and expansive travertine decking. At the end of the day, this home truly exudes luxury in every aspect. For those with school-aged children, local schooling options is gonna be important when choosing the right community. Fortunately, there are some excellent schools close by. The Clark County schools zoned for this particular community include Abston Elementary School, Fertitta Middle School, and Durango High School. In addition, there are a few highly desirable private schools nearby as well, including the Alexander Dawson School, which is pre-K through 8th grade. And there's Mary Hill School, which is K through 8th grade, and Bishop Gorman High School. There are a number of fantastic options to choose from to fit your child's educational needs. So, let's go take a drive around this wonderful part of the community to see what you think about it. Our last stop in touring homes in Mesa Ridge is located in the far eastern part of the community. This home listed here behind me is for $3,500,000 and is 4,445 square feet, which comes out to $787 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2021. Like the last home we just visited, this home is also located on an exceptional corner lot and is at the end of a private cul-de-sac. With an elevated design, privacy, and unforgettable strip views from the primary suite balcony. It is designed for those who love to entertain, as a backyard is nothing short of extraordinary. A resort caliber pool and spa anchor the space, surrounded by an expansive outdoor lounge, a chef's outdoor kitchen, a private pickleball court for all those who love pickleball, and a putting green. Inside, the modern architecture flows seamlessly with clean lines and an open concept living with a large great room right off of the gourmet kitchen that offers upgraded modern cabinets, high-end stainless steel appliances, a separate bar area, and a waterfall island. While the spacious primary suite includes an LED fireplace and a spa-inspired bathroom. And there's also even a media room upstairs as well. So if you love to watch movies, this may be a perfect home for you. Elevating the wellness experience, the home also features a private in-home sauna and dedicated ice bath, bringing luxury spa living into your daily routine. The home also has solar that is completely paid off as well. Needless to say, this is not just a home, it is a lifestyle statement. One thing that I did want to point out is that the cost of living in Mesa Ridge is higher than in many other areas of Las Vegas due to the luxury nature of the homes, amenities offered, and the exclusivity of the neighborhood. Property values in Mesa Ridge are high, with many homes valued in the multi-million-dollar range, as we have just seen. In addition, the monthly HOA fee runs $570 per month. So, while the neighborhood offers top-tier amenities and a luxurious lifestyle, it does come at a higher price point. One that for many is well worth it. So, let's go take a drive around the eastern part of this impressive community. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of the popular, affluent community of Mesa Ridge. Living here appeals to buyers seeking modern design, scenic surroundings, and a refined lifestyle. With its combination of cutting-edge homes, strong community amenities, and a prime location near both nature and urban conveniences, it represents one of the most highly sought-after, guard-gated neighborhoods in all the Las Vegas Valley today. If you feel Mesa Ridge checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right luxury Las Vegas community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assisting getting your offer accepted on your ideal home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So, Whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Summerlin. So until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.